Most people chasing passive income are doing it completely wrong. They pick the hardest methods with the lowest success rate. Today, I am showing you the Overlook strategy that actually works, and it costs you nothing to start. Passive income is real, but 90% of people fail at it because they pick the wrong model. Dropshipping, high competition, high cost, razor-thin margins. Crypto, high risk, unpredictable, not passive at all. Print on demand, saturated, low margins, slow growth. These models are not bad. They're just hard for beginners with no budget and no experience. Today I am showing you the overlooked model. Low competition, free tools, beginner-friendly, and genuinely passive once it is set up. Stay with me, because the strategy I'm about to show you is one most creators never talk about. What is the overlooked strategy? Digital products combined with AI content marketing. Here's the simple version. You create a digital product once. You use AI to create content that drives people to it. They buy it while you sleep. That is the entire model. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, no paid ads, no experience required. The product can be anything people find useful. A Notion template, a budget tracker, a content planner, an AI prompt pack, a beginner guide, a checklist. Price it between $7 and $25. Sell it on Gumroad, completely free to list. Now here is where AI changes everything. Instead of spending months building an audience, you use 11 Labs and Claude to create YouTube content that sends people directly to your product page. Your videos work 24 hours a day. Your product sells 24 hours a day. You earn 24 hours a day. That is passive income, built entirely with free tools. Step by step, build your product. Step 1. Pick your product idea. Open Claude AI. Type this prompt exactly. Give me 10 digital product ideas for YouTube creators in the finance and AI niche. Focus on Notion templates and guides that beginners would pay $10 to $20 for. Claude gives you 10 ideas instantly. Pick the one that excites you most. Step 2. Build it in Notion. Open Notion, free account. Go back to Claude. Type this. Build me a detailed 30-day content calendar template for a faceless YouTube channel. Include columns for date, video type, title, hook, description, and hashtags. Copy Claude's output into Notion. Format it. Add your branding. Make it clean. That is your product. Built in under 2 hours. Step 3. List it on Gumroad. Go to gumroad.com. Create a free account. Click Create Product. Upload your Notion template link. Write a description. Use Claude to write this too. Set your price. Publish. Your digital product is now live and for sale. Anyone in the world can buy it right now. Drive traffic with AI. Now here is the part that makes this passive. You need traffic, and you're going to get it from YouTube for free. Using AI. Step 1. Open Claude. Ask for 10 YouTube video ideas that would attract people who want to buy your template. For a content calendar template, good video ideas are how I plan a month of YouTube content in 10 minutes. The exact content system I use for my faceless channel. Stop wasting time on content planning. Do this instead. Step 2. Claude writes the full script. 11 Labs reads it in a natural voice. CapCut edits the video with captions. Canva makes the thumbnail. Upload to YouTube. Put your Gumroad link in the description. Step 3. Repeat every week. Every video you upload is a new door into your product. Some videos get 100 views, some get 10,000. Every view is a potential customer. Real numbers. Let me give you real numbers so you know what to expect. A Notion template priced at $12. Selling 3 copies per week from YouTube traffic. That is $36 per week, $144 per month, $1,728 per year from one template built in 2 hours. Now scale that, 2 templates, 6 copies per week combined, $72 per week, $288 per month, $3,456 per year. Add YouTube AdSense once you hit 1,000 subscribers. Finance niche pays $15 to $50 per 1,000 views. At 20,000 views per month, that is $300 to $1,000 extra. Add affiliate commissions from your tool links, that is another $50 to $300 per month. Is it possible with consistency? Absolutely. The passive income strategy most people overlook is the simplest one. One digital product, one YouTube channel, free AI tools. Everything you need is free. Everything I showed you today can be started in the next 2 hours. Links to every tool are in the description below. Subscribe for more videos on exactly how to build this. I will see you in the next.